In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Notion Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type so the right people get access without any confusion. First, open the Notion website in your preferred browser. Sign in the way you normally do and make sure you're in the correct workspace that holds the calendar you want to share. If you use multiple workspaces, just take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right one so you don't share the wrong calendar by accident. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Calendar there. This takes you straight to your Notion calendar view where you can see your upcoming events and schedules laid out. If your sidebar is minimized, expand it so the calendar option is visible. After you click, give the page a second to load, especially if you have a lot of events, and make sure you're seeing the correct calendar before moving on. At the top of the page, you'll find the search bar. Click into it and type the phrase Invite to Notion Calendar. This is a quick way to pull up the invite action without hunting through menus. As you type, you should see the invite option appear right away. Selecting it brings up the place where you add the people you want to share with. Now simply enter the name or email of the person you want to invite. If they're already part of your workspace, typing their name should bring them up in the suggestions and you can select the correct person. If they're not in your workspace yet, enter their email address carefully. Double-check the spelling so the invite goes to the right inbox. When you confirm, Notion sends an invitation that allows them to access the calendar you're sharing. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. Invite only the people who genuinely need access, especially if the calendar includes sensitive dates or internal plans. If the person doesn't see the invitation right away, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder. Also, be mindful of similar names in your workspace and confirm you're selecting the right person from the suggestions before you send the invite. That's it. Open the Notion website, click Calendar at the bottom left, use the search bar to find Invite to Notion Calendar and enter the name or email of the person you want to share with. Follow these steps and your calendar will be shared with the right collaborators in just a few clicks.